Hi, I'm Pavan Duggal, Advocate, Supreme Court of India, specializing in cyber law. Welcome to this Facebook Live, which we are dedicating to Aadhaar. India has got its National Biometric Identification System known as Aadhaar. Aadhaar, when it began in 2009, it was purely a voluntary exercise. It continued to be a voluntary exercise till almost 2016. It's only 2016 that the government legalized Aadhaar by coming up with a legislation passed in Indian Parliament known as the Aadhaar Act of 2016. The Aadhaar Act for the first time granted legality to Aadhaar, its status, and also various transactions that are done for authenticating the identity through Aadhaar. However, the government started talking more about making Aadhaar mandatory. That started creating an ecosystem around Aadhaar, which suddenly started coming up with new ramifications. Everything started getting connected with Aadhaar, with the result that this ecosystem started developing, and that ecosystem is thoroughly unsecure. There's no attention put yet on the cybersecurity ramifications of the Aadhaar ecosystem. And now, with this controversy that's coming up, with RBI now coming in and saying that Aadhaar is to be mandatorily linked to all the bank accounts, this once again throws onto the ground the new issue as to how much should you actually be connecting your Aadhaar. The fact remains is that there is a litigation pending in the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court is yet to decide whether Aadhaar violates your fundamental right to privacy as enshrined under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Well, since 2017 beginning, we have been seeing so many cases of misuse and abuse of the Aadhaar numbers. So many instances of Aadhaar numbers being leaked online and often leaving the victim with no remedy, because under the Aadhaar Act, if your Aadhaar number is compromised, you cannot even report this matter to the police. In fact, only the Unique Identification Authority of India, or the UIDAI, is authorized to go ahead and report this matter to the police. Now, clearly, there are a lot of these issues concerning Aadhaar. We would be discussing more issues about Aadhaar, its impact on privacy, and its ultimate impact upon the national fabric of India in the forthcoming International Conference on Cyber Law, Cybercrime and Cybersecurity that will be taking place in New Delhi on 16th and 17th of November 2017. More about the conference is available at cyberlawcybercrime.com. Well, this entire issue of Aadhaar is very, very fascinating. I hope if you have an Aadhaar card, you need to be careful that please do not share your information. Also, you have to be alive of the cybersecurity ramifications that actually are impacting the Aadhaar ecosystem as a whole. That's all in this short edition of Facebook Live that's dedicated to Aadhaar. We will be doing these Facebook Lives on a far more frequent basis. See you on yet another edition of this kind of discussion at a later date. Till then, bye-bye.